2025 Acura RDX Unveiled. You won't believe what's inside. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The 2025 Acura RDX has officially been unveiled, and trust us, you won't believe what's inside this all-new luxury SUV. In today's video, we're taking an exclusive first look at the 2025 Acura RDX, showcasing its groundbreaking features, stunning design, and the incredible performance upgrades that make it a true game-changer in the SUV market. Get ready for a deep dive into everything that makes this SUV a must-have for 2025. Bold exterior redesign. The 2025 Acura RDX makes a strong statement with its bold, updated exterior design. Acura has refined the RDX's aggressive stance, giving it a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile that stands out on the road. The redesigned front grille, striking LED headlights, and sculpted body lines combine to create a sporty yet sophisticated look that's bound to turn heads wherever you go. If you thought the RDX was impressive before, wait until you see it in person. Powerful performance that thrills. Under the hood, the 2025 Acura RDX is all about power and precision. With an upgraded turbocharged engine, the RDX delivers more horsepower and torque than ever before, providing a driving experience that's both exhilarating and smooth. Whether you're navigating through the city or hitting the open road, the new RDX offers an impressive balance of speed, agility, and fuel efficiency that makes every journey a thrill. Advanced technology features. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 RDX is the technology it brings to the table. The completely revamped infotainment system includes a larger, more responsive touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The new RDX also comes equipped with a customizable driver profile, so you can tailor your in-car experience to your preferences. Plus, Acura's innovative sound system ensures that your music sounds better than ever, no matter where you are. Luxurious interior. Step inside the 2025 Acura RDX, and you'll be blown away by the luxury and comfort that await you. From the premium leather upholstery to the high-end wood accents, the cabin exudes sophistication. Spacious interior provides ample room for both passengers and cargo, ensuring that long trips are just as comfortable as quick commutes. With advanced climate control, ambient lighting, and premium seating options, the RDX offers an unparalleled driving experience that combines style and comfort. Top-of-the-line safety features. Safety is always a priority in an Acura, and the 2025 RDX is no exception. Equipped with the latest Acura Watch suite of safety technologies, this SUV is designed to keep you and your loved ones protected on every journey. Features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation work together to provide a comprehensive safety net that offers peace of mind, no matter where you're headed. Efficiency meets performance. Not only does the 2025 Acura RDX deliver incredible performance, but it's also impressively fuel efficient. Acura has made significant upgrades to the RDX's drivetrain to improve fuel economy without sacrificing power. Whether you're driving around town or embarking on a road trip, the RDX helps you go farther on less fuel, making it an eco-friendly choice for those who want both performance and sustainability. Exclusive first look at the 2025 Acura RDX. In this video, we're bringing you an exclusive first look at the 2025 Acura RDX in all its glory. From the sleek new exterior to the cutting-edge technology inside, we'll take you on a tour of every major update and highlight the features that make this SUV stand out from the competition. You won't want to miss the full reveal. Trust us, there's so much to see. What do you think of the 2025 Acura RDX? Now that you've seen the 2025 Acura RDX up close, what do you think? Is it everything you expected, or is there something that surprised you? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts on this stunning new luxury SUV. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future car reviews and reveals.